Welcome to OnePlus's flagship factory. Today, I'll show you how we build flagship killers for speed enthusiasts. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Hekton foreign gokil summer samagi hermetixi desboti boy hebrai. Jodi jodrena datisha bidangta ere pansasta ke kulik bank.
We monitor everything from performance to charging speeds and even community feedback, ensuring we always deliver on our never settle promise.
OnePlus BBK AI Production Analysis. Maximum performance.
I actually do see a bit of stuttering when I'm scrolling.
Look out for new updates. All good.
The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is overheating. We need to find a solution, fast.
We need to meet the never settle performance.
The current thermal data is concerning during peak gaming.
What if we optimize the cooling path without altering the build? OnePlus 12 units undergo extended gaming tests. Genshin Impact, PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile at max settings for hours. Zero throttling confirmed.
Class-leading performance. No throttling. Never settle.
Sicily. Initial units show heat issues with 100-watt charging. We're investigating battery safety and optimizing fast charging for
Despite the Hasselblad calibration, we're seeing some color variation between these units. This one's warmer.
Plus the two of that one eat. Switching to now preface and develops steply and fun bathing phone for Asian girls. Like what's a ding date even this.
Our state-of-the-art facility features 4 parallel assembly lines, showcasing our production flexibility for the entire OnePlus device family.
This OnePlus 12 packs flagship specs, amazing camera, and super fast charging, all for just $799. What a deal!
We actively integrate your feedback from the OnePlus forums. Vote on features you want to see. Join our open beta.
Our Snapdragon performance must lead. We're targeting 100-watt charging. The community expects speed.
Let's not settle.
Yesterday's output was strong.
Let's ensure today's Snapdragon targets align. These Hasselblad metrics look good.
Yeah.
And the community scores reflect our never settle focus.
It's been an incredible journey, from the original OnePlus One to this new flagship. The community has always been our driving force.
Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 allocation tightening globally, leveraging BBK's volume for priority, production maintained, flagship focus preserved.
I can't believe I'm actually here. Seeing how the Hasselblad cameras are integrated is amazing.
Snapdragon benchmark scores verified. Alert slider tactile feel is optimal. 100-watt charging speed validated.
Say 10 million OnePlus 12s. What a milestone!
The community made this happen!
This Marble Edition is stunning.
Today, we're taking your feedback to enhance SuperVOC to 150 watts for even faster charging, integrating it into our future roadmap. Never settle.
Transcription. We need to identify the component failure impacting user experience.
The latest Oxygen OS build is
Production is at 98%. Snapdragon metrics are nominal.
Excellent. Maintain 24/7 continuity. Never settle.
Now you know OnePlus's flagship killer secrets. What's your favorite never settle feature? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory for more enthusiast smartphone deep dives.
Next, Xiaomi Factory Secrets. Then, Realme Production Precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Never settle.